Hi, I'm Anuloma of Davannayoga in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico. I'm going to practice Bhastrika Pranayama with you today. Bhastrika means billow, so in this pranayama, your breath acts like a billow, and it helps detoxify the body, it helps to increase your metabolism, it helps to clear chest congestion. It's a very invigorating pranayama practice. This practice should not be done by those with high blood pressure, hypertension, heart disease, or hernia. So this breath acts like a bellow. It emphasizes both the inhale and the exhale, so please take your hands to your belly and make sure you're breathing correctly first, and make sure that you're sitting in a comfortable and stable seat. Breathe in, belly expands, and breathe out, belly contracts. Breathe in, belly expands. Exhaling, contraction. Inhale, expansion. Exhale, contraction. This breath is heard mostly as it's coming through the throat. So it's different than Kapalabhati, which we hear mostly through the nose. Kapalabhati sounds like this. And it's only the force of the exhale through the nose. Bhastrika sounds like this. So you can hear the difference as Bhastrika comes through the throat. Bhastrika Pranayama will emphasize both the inhale and the exhale. So the best way to begin is slowly and taking the hands on the belly. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Make sure that the rest of the body is relaxed, the jaw, the throat, the neck, and you're just focusing on the breathing mechanism, the diaphragm, the belly, expanding and contracting, and your seat is comfortable again. We're going to try a little faster now. Take the hands to the belly once again, and just try a little faster with me. Follow with ujjayi breath. For more energetic Bhastrika, you can move more quickly or for a longer period of time. And you can turn your eyes up to the third eye area or looking to the point between the ceiling and the wall. Relaxing again the rest of your body, but please engage Mula Bandha to keep you grounded. Follow this pranayama practice, please, with ujjayi breath or several rounds of Anuloma Viloma, which are also on my Vimeo channel. Thank you. Namaste.